The draft of a climate document released on Sunday asked all countries to have a detailed adaptation plan to the current and future impacts of climate change in their territory by 2025, besides demonstration of progress in implementing such a plan by 2030. The Bharatiya Janata Party on Sunday chose Vishnu Deo Sai, a party veteran and former union minister, as the chief minister of Chhattisgarh. He will be the Central Indian state's fourth chief minister and the first tribal leader to hold the post. He is also the first to hail from a region beyond the other backward class dominated Central Plains in Chhattisgarh's 23-year-old history. The Monetary Policy Committee decided to hold benchmark interest rates level while raising its forecast for full-year GDP growth by 50 basis points. The Reserve Bank of India projected India's growth in 2023 to 24 at 7%, while the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank have pegged it at 6.3%. India is likely to realize the RBI's currently projected growth of 7% in this fiscal year, with a growth of 7.8% and 7.6% in the first two quarters of 2023 to 24, respectively, and a broad-based recovery in the second quarter. On 15 November, Germany's constitutional court ruled the government moved to reallocate 60 billion euros, unused from the sums initially earmarked for the pandemic emergency, to a Climate and Transformation Fund, KTF, as unlawful. A paper published by scientists and researchers at the Indian Institute of Science, IISc, Bangalore noted that of the nearly 12,850 square kilometer of natural vegetation lost in the Kaveri Basin, Karnataka has lost 3/4, while Tamil Nadu's share is around 1/5. Known as Operation Storm Makers 2, the Interpol exercise resulted in the arrest of 281 persons in different countries on charges such as human trafficking, passport forgery, corruption, telecommunications fraud, and sexual exploitation.